Python shines with its simple syntax, making coding and execution swift. It's a free open-source language that's cross-platform, working on Windows, Linux, Mac, and Unix. With over 137,000 libraries, Python's ecosystem is vast and ever-growing. Its elegant syntax enhances readability and reduces maintenance costs, making code more elegant. From web development to data analysis, Python's versatility is unmatched. It's not just for programmers. Scientists, accountants, and even those in less technical fields use Python to automate tasks like organizing finances. Python's general-purpose nature makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including data visualization, machine learning, web development, and automating daily tasks. Python's popularity stems from its user-friendly syntax that mirrors natural language, making it beginner-friendly and versatile for various tasks. As an open-source language, it's supported by a vast community that contributes to its extensive library, ensuring that help is readily available for any coding challenges. Building a website with Python offers numerous advantages. Its frameworks like Django and Flask facilitate rapid development. Python's ability to transform data into compelling visual presentations is a key benefit. Plus, it's scalable and secure, making it ideal for dynamic web applications that grow with your business. Consider the success of Python-built websites. Netflix, with its vast streaming capabilities, Google, handling immense search traffic, YouTube, the leader in online video streaming, Instagram, with its user-friendly interface, and Uber, leveraging Python for its ride-hailing app. Pinterest and Dropbox also harness Python's power for their large-scale, reliable applications.